Hello and welcome everyone, we're happy that we're all together again. In this tutorial we will continue talking about the causes that leads to the electrical faults. So fasten your belt and let's get started. The aim of this tutorial is to continue talking about the reasons which causes the electrical faults, as we need to know in some details why the electrical faults are caused. So let's go ahead. The first cause we have now is some external reasons that causes the electrical faults, like the case at which we have a big tree that falls on the electrical conductors on the different phases, which makes the different cases to be touching each other, that makes a short circuit condition. And also this tree may cut the different phases, which makes an open circuit condition. And also another case, if a worker who is digging the ground, he may face an underground cable by mistake and he may cut that cable while he is digging. So this produces an open circuit on the cable as it has been cut. And also another reason that causes the faults is the fire, as the fire may produce a great damage of the electrical equipment. So all of those some other external reasons that produces a great change in the voltage or the current values, as they may increase greatly due to the short circuit condition, or it may change also to P0 to open the circuit, so it may produce an open circuit condition, or it may damage the equipment itself. Very good. Also, the fifth reason that produce the electrical faults is the wrong operation of sometimes. So the power system may have a wrong operation, or the operator may make a mistake during the operation of the power system. For example, if the power line is closed while the earthing switch is closed, so at that condition the line will be connected to the earth, and this is a mistake of connecting the line directly to the earth. As at the normal case, if the line is closed, this means the power system is going forward to the line, and at that case the earthing switch must be open. And the inverse is right also, as if the line power is open, this means there is no power flow, and at that case the earthing switch can be closed to do its job, as its job as an earthing switch is to absorb the static charge that remains at the line while the power is off. So any leakage in the power or any static charge is absorbed by the earthing switch. But at the fault condition, the operator may close the earthing switch by mistake while the line is closed. So this makes a fault, as the line now is connected to the ground directly. And also the sixth reason that causes the electrical faults is the overloading condition. And as we said before, the overloading condition is done due to the increase of the electric current by a large value that the line cannot withstand, as the electrical load may absorb a larger current due to a fault at which, so the line is not designed to withstand a larger current, and in that case the fault can occur. And one reason that produces the overloading condition is the unbalanced condition. And the unbalanced condition is a condition at which we find the three phases to carry a different power related to each other. So at the normal case, the three phases must carry the same power identically. Suppose we say each phase is carrying 100% of its rated power. Here this is the ideal case at which we have no problem or the power flow is going well. But suppose for any fault condition we find those three phases to carry a different power from each other. So the green phase rated power has been decreased to be 60% only, so it carries 60% of its rated power, and for the blue phase it has a similar condition, as it carries now only 70% of its rated power. And the problem now is that the orange phase will carry the rest of the power, so it carries 100% plus 40% of the green phase plus 30% of the blue phase. So it carries now 170% totally, as this is a very large power that the phase cannot withstand. So the cable is designed with a cross-sectional area with a specific material to carry only 100%, but it's overloaded now with a very large value, which is larger than 1.5 times its rated power. So at that case there will be a failure in that phase, as its insulation will be broken, and also it may be damaged or burned out due to the excessive power that this phase cannot withstand. More than great. So that's about this tutorial, at which we continue talking about the reasons that causes the electrical faults. Hope that's clear right now. Thank you for watching and see you next tutorials.